Hello, Inabe-san and Miura-san. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. First, Inabe-san, you're the head of the ION Innovation Office at NTT Data Group. Could you tell us a little bit about what your team does and how it helps to promote ION?
Our mission is to promote ion technology and make ion technology used in the society.
You're here today at the ION Global Forum. How important is that to your mission?
I attended this global forum for the first time, and there are many people who expertise in many areas. So I believe that if we collaborate each other, we can promote ion technology.
Yes, it's a great opportunity to meet over 150 different collaborators who are all working towards the goal of advancing ION in the marketplace with our customers. Now, one of those use cases I understand is in the financial services. So Miura-san, maybe you can tell us a little bit about the financial industry use case.
Yeah, I developed two major use cases with MUFG Bank.
Okay.
And one is the hybrid cloud use case. So connecting the private cloud and public cloud with the APN ION technology.
Okay.
These computer resources is very flexible. For them, we can improve the agility of the business of the financial institutes.
So helping them do that using ION technology and the APN and offering their customers more services and better services.
I believe we can realize such a thing with ION technologies. I have one more use case for the financial institute.
Sure.
They need to keep security of the customer data.
Right.
Please imagine the fire or the earthquake in the main data center.
Disaster.
Then the financial institute want to try to move their system to another place, the backup data center. If we provide APN with between the main data center and the backup data center, the important system can be migrated to the backup center.
Right.
Then they keep their service for the customer, even though fire or disaster is.
They can recover faster.
Yes.
So the two examples are, the first one was more around digital transformation, and the second one is about disaster recovery, instantaneous, so that they don't lose any records or any customer information. This is for customers, for NTT Data, for around the world, and so this is a good example. Any other examples or industries that you think about?
One of the use case may be manufacturing.
Okay, right. We have a lot of manufacturing customers.
Yeah. In the factory, there are many machines to be controlled. So in that case, we need to control those systems from the remote areas.
Safe
sometimes. In that case, we need to very fast.
So in that case, for manufacturing, you would use ION to be able to remotely control maybe a robot or some kind of device. And I know you're very involved with this as well. Do you have any other examples that you are thinking about?
Yeah, we also interested in providing ION technology for the hyperscalers. Because the NTT has many data centers in the worldwide, and our customers can build a robust network for their customers with ION APN technologies.
So the hyperscalers like Google and Microsoft and so on are a big opportunity for us.
In Japan.
Okay.
And also in other countries.
Right, very global.
Well, it's ambitious for us.
Well, ambition is good. It's fantastic to have you both here. Thank you so much for spending time with me.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Have a good day at the ION Global Forum. Thank you.
Thank you.